So for the last constraint, yung stock Z, so take note na the stock Z is simply the sum of all the stock Z from A ingredient, B ingredient, C ingredient, and D ingredient. So we simply add the sum, we simply add the consumption, okay, times what? Add yung requirement, no? Then multiply that by kung ilan talaga nagamit lahat. Yan. So that's our equation. Yan. Okay? So, tapos we now click on solver. Yan. So, yan. Okay? Ganyan lang. Tapos, ulitin ko ha. We set the objective. O, click natin kung saan natin gustong ilagay. Dito ba o dito? Yan, halimbawa. See. So, dito na lang. Okay? Then, anong objective function? So, this is a minimization problem. So, click on minimum. Yan. Then, by changing variable cells. So, ito yon. These are the variable cells that we need to change. Okay? Oops. Ay, mali. Okay? So, yan. Ito na yung ano. Then, subject to the following constraints. Anong constraints natin? So, ito. Add. So, ito ang on the left-hand side, cell reference. Tapos, ano yung symbol? It should be greater than or equal to kasi minimum, di ba? Tapos, on the right-hand side, ito. So, okay. Yan. So, that is for the A ingredient constraint. For the B ingredient constraint, so add ulit tayo. So, cell reference, dito ulit, dito. Tapos, ano yung symbol? Greater than or equal to. Tapos, constraint, yan. Okay? So, pwede, you can click OK or you can just click add. Tapos, diretso na siya. So, ito naman, then, greater than or equal to pa rin, tapos reference yan. Okay? So, let's say, click tayo OK. So, babalik siya rito. So, then, click add. So, dito na tayo, di ba? Sa D ingredient. Then, greater than or equal to. Tapos, this one. Then, click add. Cell reference. Tapos, so this time, no more than 5. So, less than or equal to ang ating sign. Okay? Tapos, right hand side. Okay. So, tignan natin. So, meron na tayo. Let's us double check first. So, G8 is for the A ingredient. G9 for the B. C ingredient G10. D ingredient G11. Then stock Z ingredient. Okay, kompleto na tayo. So, then we are now ready to solve. So, leave it as that, simplex LP. Then, click solve. Okay? So, ulitin ko ha. So, place kung saan, specify a cell address where you want to place the value of the set objective. Okay? Tapos, anong klaseng LP problem. So, this is a minimization. Click NP. So, ito yung changing the variable cell. Ito talaga hinahanap natin. Then, subject to the following constraints. Okay? So, click solve. Ayan. So, we have answer. So, lumalabas, ang gagamitin lang natin ay stock X. Okay? And the cost of the feed is $80. We do not need the stock Y, we do not need the stock Z. Yan. So these are our values for the A ingredient. So 7.5 is greater than 4. 5 is equal to 5. 2.5 is greater than 1. Kasi ito yung minimum requirement for A ingredient, B ingredient, C ingredient, and D ingredient. At na-comply naman. Ito yung actual values. So, A ingredient, 7.5 pounds. Okay? Then, B ingredient equal to 5. C, 2.5. D ay 15. Yan. And walang ginamit na stock Z. Kasi less than or equal to 5. So, lumalabas, we only need a stock X. Okay? So, halimbawa, if you want a different solving method, say for example, evolutionary, tignan nyo lang. Okay? The same, So, the same. Solver options GRG nonlinear solve. Sorry. Okay. So yun, the same So 40 pa rin. Yan. Okay? So that's how you find the answer using the solver function ng Excel. And it can generate reports also. Yeah. Okay. And sensitivity reports. So, pero ito yung sagot. So, you only need 40 pounds of stock X and the cost of the feed is $80. At na-meet naman lahat ng constraint or yung ingredient requirement. So, that's it. And thank you.